Hello, this is the week's assignment. These are not my exact colors for the real collection. The middle is, but not the outside because there's a pattern that's actually there, like a stripe pattern. I haven't gotten to making that pattern yet, so I kept it with gray just for the sake of this assignment. This is what it looks like completed. Um, my only issue right now is trying to get the whites. I don't know if I should manually make it white or if that's going to affect my background color, what it would do. So I left it like that for now. Um, so I used I didn't use the lasso tool. I used this tool right here because I was able to use it like the pen, like this, and and I was able to like paint it. I'm gonna put it on the pants layer so I can delete it. And I was able to just paint it. Like, I want to make it blue, and it was working like that. And I thought that was like a faster alternative. The only thing is, if you mess up, you have to start all over. So I was pretty lucky because I don't have a lot of curves except for where the shirt is tucked in. And I was able to just, it took me a few tries and a couple of hours, but it was easier than manually doing it because when I manually did it, I'm not really used to using the Wacom pad, which I just got, and I haven't used it ever when I even in my previous classes. So this is new for me. And when I did use it, it was only for 2 days, and someone was trying to teach me, and that was back in 2016. So that was a while ago, and I was still in high school then. So I don't really have much experience with the pads. So this helped me make it quicker, and it's definitely better than trying to use a mouse. So I recommend this tool. It's the same as a lasso tool, but instead of it being um, like it's like that, where you can make the line straighter, and then you can select it just like that little video just showed. I know the professor said she used a lasso tool, which is great because for things that are like curvy, like the flower, or maybe something with more details. But for me, it was just too much freehand, and it does the same thing. It's just a different way to use it. I don't know if anybody's willing to try that or wants to try. She did say something about you can click. I found out that when you are clicking, it's using this one because when I use this, I have to click. Oh, whoops. Bring it down. Like what I did with the triangle, when I use it, I have to click and then move. Like right now, I clicked it down and then it did that, and I have to click again and then it moves again. I have to click again, kind of like the pen tool, and I just have to keep going into it like that. That's the only way I found. And in the curves, I kind of just did click and then like kind of follow the curves a little bit. Like if I were to do like if I were to do that, I can do like a curve. That does take a long time, but it was kind of worth it. And I'm only just following a line that already exists with my art. So I kind of just, kind of did it like that. You just have to click more closer together to get like a curve. Um, Other than that, that's what I did for this assignment. Oh no. Um, Here you go. So, and I guess have a good week.